Nikes. You're not even gonna believe it. You are gonna believe it because this is in the title, but I got a freaking RC snowmobile. I have been so excited for this thing. You have no idea. Oh, ho, ho. Look at the detail on that thing. That is so cool. That is freaking awesome, man. I did not expect it to be this detailed, honestly. It comes with a little rider, too. He's even got zip ties on his boots, just like me. We gotta open this thing up right now. Yeah. There. Look at that. Before we get started on this video, I'm going to be giving this away to one of you guys that's watching right now. All you got to do is subscribe to this channel, I guess. I don't know. Something like that. Do something to help me out. We got to hit 100,000 subscribers. We got to hit 100,000 subscribers this year. So help me out. Subscribe to this channel. You can win this thing. I'm going to give you a call on Christmas probably. So I'll get in contact with you somehow. Let's open this thing up. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be careful how I open this thing so I can package it up nicely when I ship it out to you. I can run through the features with you. I'm not really too good at these unboxing videos, but it is made by Top Maz Racing. 2.4 gigahertz, pro system, ready to run, working suspensions, 6.4 volt lithium ion batteries. I think this has a runtime of like 20 minutes if I remember from the website. It is an official Yamaha SR Viper, which I think is really cool. It's not some knockoff snowmobile. It's an actual Yamaha. Multi-players, I don't know how that works, but is that 114-foot range? That's pretty decent. Interchangeable skis for snow and dirt. Also, we gotta give a shout out to this video's, wow, there's a cat in there. This video sponsor, Humbucker Screwbert, Hamsacker Bluebird, Hamburger Sherbert, things at prices. All right, now back to our video. Slight incision here, a slight incision here. Doink. Got it. Oh, boom, baby. What kind of sick man zip tied his arm? Oh, look at that track. Not studded, of course. I think this is supposed to be a long track. It's got to be. The tunnel's huge. Suspension. If I ever bought a snowmobile that did that when the suspension was compressed, man, I'd have some issues. Pretty neat little rider on there, too. The rider does come off. He's just, somebody tied his hands to the handlebars, which is super unsafe. All right. So how do you plug this thing in? Okay, there's the battery. There's another battery, I am assuming, for the remote. And here's where you plug it in. I am so excited. Looks like it measures at 19 inches by about 8.5. So they say this is about a 3-hour charge. You just got to plug in it comes with a USB plug into the battery, and then of course you plug it into a power block and you shove it in the wall and you wait 3 hours. And it's time, friends. We got our battery charged up, got the battery in the remote, so we're good there. We just got to throw this in. I saw online you got to open up the seat here like that. There it is. Being stubborn. Okay, there she is. And we actually have a little bit of snow. We lost some overnight, but we got enough to test this puppy out. I don't think it does too well in deep snow anyway. Let's try a straight shot right here. Ooh, this is so exciting. Ho, ho, ho. That's so cool. That's awesome. It's not turning too well on the ice, but not bad. Ooh, get some grip there on the, oh, we had our first rollover. We got a pretty good shot right here in front of the truck. We got some moguls ahead of that, so let's see what happens. Whoa, oh, rollover number 2. Grass drags. All right, this will be the good test here. Oh, roll over again. And another one. My goodness. Oh. We buried our track. That's so... Why is that so funny? It's so realistic. He hit a patch of snow and they kept the throttle on it and just buried the track. Just like in real life. Okay, here we go. Oh, nope, don't hit the house. Oh, dude. This is a little bit of rough terrain, I can tell, for this little guy. He's not a very experienced rider. He's about a day old. Oh! There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Right through Lyra's P. Look at this. Watch the track. That's funny. Hey, we're on a good run now. Going downhill. Look at that. Look at him go. Under the bridge. Oh, we got hit right in the face by a thorn. Oh, so this is as fast as this thing goes right here. It's decent for a little remote control, but it's not a powerhouse for sure. Here's a decent hill for him. It's very easy to steer, that's for sure. I feel like any kid over 5 could do this. I wonder what the range is. Turn, little buddy, turn. Ah! Go right through there, see if you can do it. Nope, back up. Go forward, nope, back up. Oh, hit his head. Fractured skull. Always wear your seatbelt. Come on, come on, come on. Almost there. There we go. Couldn't quite do it on his own, but I kind of wish it went faster, honestly. And I know there's some upgrades you can do to these things. I've seen some videos online of people just launching them off of like snow drifts and stuff. So there's definitely things you can do to them. It's kind of slow for me. For a little kid, it's probably cool, but for for an adult like myself, I want to see this thing go flying, you know? I wonder if I could get my GoPro on there, what that would do. See what Lyra thinks about it. Chase the dog around. Oh, he flipped over. He flipped over. Make sure you subscribe, and also down in the comments, let me know if you guys want to see another video of this thing. Kind of one of the most random things I've done on this channel, but it is still snowmobile related, so let me down in the comments if you want to see me do the upgrade to this and make another video. That's how fast the track goes. It's probably hard to tell over video, but that's full throttle. I got the GoPro on there. It is a bit heavy for it, so I gained a lot of weight me throwing this on there, but we'll see how it does. Hold on. GoPro's a little lopsided. And it does not steer as well. That's funny. That's still pretty cool though. I imagine the GoPro is probably just bouncing all around. Oops. Smacked into the car. Alright, coming back home. I think our battery might be dying a little bit. Oh! This is like trying to fly a drone and drive at the same time, which I have experience with. Oh, we're stuck. Oh, maybe not. We can get out of this. Nope. There we go. Did my ski just fall off? My ski fell off. We were hitting too many rocks, I guess. Now how does this pop back on? Got a little dirty there. I think it's just a pop kind of thing. Did I break it? I think there's just too much dirt in there. That's more like it. All right, so I just had to clean up the dirt that was kind of stuck in there, and there's a couple little tiny pebbles, and just had to fix that up. Now it should be good to go. Oh, buried again. I'm about as good as this RC remote as I am real snowmobiling. I've been playing with this thing for about 20 minutes now, and I can tell the battery's starting to get a little weak, slowing down a little bit. Final thoughts on it: it's a little slow for an adult, I think, but like a kid, 5, 6, 7 years old, 8 years old, I think they'd have a lot of fun with this thing.